Hey, did you know?
Our bodies are incredible machines. Think about those sudden, involuntary reactions your body has to keep you healthy. Sneezing is one of those powerful reflexes, a rapid-fire response designed to expel irritants. It's a surprisingly forceful burst of air, pushing out unwanted particles. What is the estimated speed of a sneeze expelled from the human body? A. 10 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 100 miles per hour. D. 200 miles per hour.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is C. 100 miles per hour. It truly shows just how powerful even a seemingly simple reflex like a sneeze can be.
Now, you know.
What kind of fun facts do you want to see more of? Let me know your favorite subject in the comments. Animals? History? Science? Tell me below.